Hello friends, my name is Ivado Eman. Today I am going to teach you how to use correctly nevertheless, able and unable. Who they want to speak English language and who they are speaking English language for both people. These words, these vocabs most important. By these vocabs you will speak English language confidently. So first one is that nevertheless. Firstly, I am going to give you a few example and then I'll explain you briefly how to use nevertheless in your sentence. For example, I am poor, nevertheless I'll help you. In this example, we see that something I don't have, but I'll help you. Like I don't have a money, but I will help you. Nevertheless is an alternative of but. So if you are using always but, then it's boring for you. You will get bored using again and again but. So what you should do, you should use nevertheless instead of but. This vocab make your sentence excellent. So next example is I can't speak English, nevertheless I try to speak English language. In this example, we see that I am not able to speak English language, but I try to speak English language. I use nevertheless instead of. Next one, they are bad boys, nevertheless they help the poor. In this example, we see that some boys are bad, but they help the poor. In this example, also I use nevertheless instead of but. Nevertheless is an alternative of but. Second is able. Firstly, I am going to give you example, then I'll explain you briefly how to use able. For example, I am able to speak English language. In this example, we see that someone wants to show their ability. He said that I am able to speak English language. It means his ability is speaking language. So if you want to show your ability, then you should use able, like I am able to teach you English language. Next example is you are not able to do this work. In this example, we see that he also wants to show his ability, but he is not able to do this thing. This example is negative example, and in this example we see that he has not the ability to do this work. In a negative way, we also use able, like you are not able to do this. Third one is unable. Firstly, I am going to give you example, then I'll explain you briefly how to use unable. For example, I am unable to speak English language. In this example, we see that I am showing my negative ability. That's why I use unable. If anyone wants to show their negative ability, they should use unable in their example. For example, you are unable to use computer software. They are unable to learn English language.